In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trace an image using Canva. This is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your graphic design projects, making them look professional and polished with minimal effort. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to make your designs truly stand out. To get started, open Canva and navigate to the design you're currently working on. If you haven't already uploaded the image you wish to trace, now is the time to do so. Adding your image to the canvas is essential, as this will be the basis for all the modifications you'll be making. Once your image is added, click directly on it. This is an important step because clicking on the image highlights it and brings up a selection of modification options. This action essentially unlocks Canva's editing features for your use. With your image selected, a menu will appear. Look for the Edit button and give it a click. At this point, you're diving into the rich variety of editing tools that Canva offers. It's akin to opening a toolbox filled with features designed specifically to modify and enhance your images. After you access the edit options, you'll need to look for a feature called Tracer. This tool is crucial. It helps create the outlines and gives an artistic edge to your images. Once you select the Tracer tool, Canva begins the process of automatically outlining your image, setting it up perfectly for tracing. You'll see an option titled Trace Image. By clicking on this, Canva will start outlining your picture meticulously. This feature is great because it emphasizes key areas of your image and helps create a distinct border that effectively separates your subject from the background. It's a powerful tool that can significantly enhance the overall look of your project. Next, focus on adjusting the tracing effect using the threshold slider. This is a crucial aspect because it determines the intensity of the trace effect on your image. As you slide it back and forth, you'll notice how it influences the outline's appearance. Your goal here is to find the ideal balance that aligns with your design objectives. Remember, increasing the threshold results in thicker lines, whereas a lower threshold offers a more subtle outline. Finally, direct your attention to the highlight option in your editing menu. This feature helps focus attention on specific areas of your traced image, or could be used to create an overlay that enhances the image's appeal. Utilizing the highlight tool effectively adds contrast and depth, giving your design an extra pop. And there you have it. You've successfully crafted a beautifully traced and highlighted image that's sure to elevate your project. By methodically following these steps, you can easily enhance your design work in Canva. Feel free to experiment with these tools and discover a style that is uniquely yours. Thanks for watching, and happy designing with Canva.